Guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning out the Jeep. As you can see, there's dirt, dust, and trash everywhere. So if you like satisfying motivational cleaning videos, then keep watching. Don't take anything in the house, comment down below. Oh my God, please don't judge me. Look at all those crumbs that we have. Wiping down all the surfaces with some awesome spray and a white rag. It was so dusty in there. Unfortunately, it did start to get dark here, so I did go ahead and end the video. I went back and detailed everything, so let me know if you like this video and you want a part 2. I can get that out to you. Make sure you comment down below any other videos that you guys would like to see from me. And with that being said, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload. I have nothing else to say besides thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.